Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. We could see that right now, Bitcoin is back to 45,915, getting a big rejection, as we can see right here, coming down from 47,500, a big wick right here on the 4-hour time frame. So we could see this was a giant fake out for the bulls at the moment, you know, fake breakout from this this big bull flag. As we can see, you know, we're starting to come down from this at this midpoint at the moment. On a TA2 chart, we can see that we are holding this level of support right now, but don't bank your whole account on it, because this is not the strongest support ever. You know, the green resistance boxes proved to be the strongest resistance and strongest support. So right now this is very strong resistance, 47,600. As we can see, you know, we grinded here, got rejected, and now we're having a hard time getting back up here. So at the moment, you know, looks like Bitcoin could be headed to lower levels, so you want to be taking a look at 47,800, and in my opinion you really want to be looking at 42,000. If we do start to break down in traditional, you're going to be looking at $42,000. Again, Daniel has been calling out for $52,000 for a while now. He's been saying April 1st. Now we are past April 1st, so he gave us another 1 week extension, possibly April 8th. You know, it is very possible that we could get to 52,000, but again, we're not there yet. We still have a lot of resistances in front of us. As we can see, the 200-day moving average has proven to be a nice short opportunity at 48,300, and this major trend line as well. So if we have to break up, we have to get past 48,700 now and 48,300, as it is the 200-day moving average. Now let's take a look at market cipher. As we can see right here on the weekly time frame, we are looking significantly less bullish than we were before. We can see the VWAP starting to come down at the moment. Money flow not really moving, but we're gonna have to see in the coming weeks if the VWAP keeps curling down and if the money flow keeps curling down. Now again, like I said before, if the money flow crosses into the red on the weekly time frame, we could have a 50% correction in the Bitcoin price. Right here you can see back in 2018 we got a 50% correction. A couple weeks after, we crossed into the red money flow. Same thing right here in 2014. Right, this is a working theory that I have, but again, we haven't crossed there yet. We were getting extremely close to crossing, and then we had a nice pump towards the upside. Now you want to be looking at traditional markets and what's going on there, because that's going to have a strong impact on the Bitcoin price, because traditional markets move everything else. You know, if traditionals go down, you're going to see Bitcoin sell off as well. And right now you can see that traditionals are in the red in overnight trading, but we're going to have to see what happens at market open. Again, we have that big Bitcoin conference coming in on April 6th, I believe, so 3 days from now. Apparently it's the biggest Bitcoin conference ever. So if we do have a pump, these Bitcoin conferences have proven to get a lot of upside potential. So maybe we might even get a large pump towards the upside, fake everyone out. Maybe we do get to 52,000 like Daniel's been predicting, and then from there on we have a big reversal down. This could just be a giant trap to get everybody to go all in. As we can see, $50,000 is a big psychological level. So once we get past that, it's possible people start pouring in money. They can't take it anymore. Bitcoin's going to the moon. All these facts start to hit them, and they just can't take it anymore. And then from there on, the institutions start dumping on us. So always take that into account. It's not just small players, it's big players as well in this market. Right now Bitcoin started coming down a little bit lower. Ethereum following Bitcoin as well. We can see right here struggling to get past this trend line. As we can see, I don't know if I drew it on this chart. I'll have to redraw it later, but for the time being, Ethereum is just following Bitcoin. We see the alts are starting to sell off as well. Overnight markets on precious metals not moving too much at all. Just waiting to see what happens on Monday morning. We do have some economic data coming soon. On April 12th, we have the next CPI report, which I anticipate to be significantly worse than people expect. And yeah, that's going to be moving the markets as well. So keep your eyes peeled for that. So a lot of people are angry right now in the Discord that Daniel's prediction has not come true, that we haven't gotten 50 to 52,000 by April 1st. he is, you know, in a significant amount of profit still. I believe he's up over, let's take a look here, 320% from his long at 34,000. But again, you know, we could be in this bigger pattern right here. We could be in a, I don't know, where's my pattern? Where are my charts at? We could be in a giant bear flag right here. So, you know, it's possible that the Bitcoin price does start to come down. You know, we have some sideways chopping action right here. You know, we've been moving sideways for a couple days right now, up and down. But if we do break down, we could be coming down to 42,000. Maybe we'll get a bounce from there, and it will zigzag our way down to 36,900. Now again, this is going to be a big pivot point for Bitcoin. If we do keep this pattern and we start moving down, you know, you want to be taking a look at a scenario like this where Bitcoin could be, you know, extending its trend towards the downside. You know, this could send us to even 12,000 if we follow, you know, this bear flag pattern. But again, this is not a guarantee. You know, there's a lot of speculation. But you know, I've been bearish for a while. A lot of people have been saying, oh, you're wrong, we're going to 100,000. I just think current market conditions don't warrant $100,000 Bitcoin. You know, with rising rates, I expect the Fed to really get significantly more hawkish. You know, Fed Jerome Powell and everyone else have been already talking about 50 basis point rate hikes, and maybe possibly even more as inflation gets more and more out of control, because they know that it's out of control. They know that they can't do anything about it, but they have to. So they're going to be put into a situation where they're going to have to keep raising rates as the economy starts to tank, unemployment is rising, we're going to be headed towards a stagflationary period. That's extremely bad. You know, it's a worst nightmare for the Fed, the stagflation, because there's going to be absolutely nothing that they can do about it, right? The way that the market, you know, has been going for these last 10 years, you know, we get into a pickle, right? 2008 crisis, or let's zoom out a little bit here. We can see 2008 crisis, the market starts to tank, recession is near, and then boom, they come in with QE, start printing money, avoid the recession, delay the recession, right? And then boom, you know, we get another correction in 2015, more money printing, and more money printing, and then we raise the rates. We try to stop or more money printer, and then boom, market gets a negative reaction. You know, we went down in 2018 by at least 20%, I believe, and then from there on we stopped the rate hikes, we reversed the quantitative tightening, and we went back to quantitative easing. And then we had that big March correction for the COVID-19, right, coronavirus. And then, man, did they put the freaking money printer on overdrive and just start spitting out trillions of dollars. And look, that propelled us again into a new, you know, all-time high. But now we're in this situation where all this money printing is the consequences of them is coming to fruition, and now we're gonna have to tighten, and the crash is gonna be significantly worse. Don't mind this red trend line, by the way. That's not our target. The target for the market is not 0. But yeah, I expect a lot of downside in the market. So right here we could see on the weekly time frame, we could possibly having a big reversal candle right here for, you know, a nice doge candle. So we probably might start to come down at the moment. So we're gonna have to see what the market has it in for us. And at the moment right now, for stock trading challenge, we haven't closed any positions yet. We are still holding. Let's take a look here. We'll scroll down for you guys. I am still holding my UVXY position, still in profit, about 1 to 2%. Again, still also holding QID. Going to be looking at other stocks right here to short and long. So if you guys wanted those alerts, you guys can join the Discord. Links in the description. Also, for current Discord members, an announcement: we're going to be doing a giveaway soon for Kenny, because Kenny made a bet with Daniel, and so we're going to give away $120 in ADA in the Discord. So if you guys want to win, you guys can join the Discord also. As well, to add on to that, I have created a Telegram alert channel to notify everyone of my stock market trades. Now, it is free for everyone in the Discord at the moment, so if you guys want to get in, you know, become gold members for a very low price of $10 a month, you guys can, and you know, lock in that low rate before we raise our prices when we reach to 10,000 subscribers. So you still have a fair amount of time. We're still at 8,864 subscribers. We've been a long journey. We started last year April, and we've accumulated 8,000 subscribers. So you guys have been awesome. Thank you so much for your support. It's been quite the ride, and hope you guys enjoy the content. So if you enjoy this content, leave a like and subscribe, join the Discord, and if you haven't already, you guys can sign up for Big Get Trading. Descriptions in the links in the description. So let's keep it peaceful in the Discord. You guys are awesome. You know, we all have our opinions. Daniel's extremely bullish. I'm not extremely bearish, but I see both sides of the trade, and you know, that's really what you want to do. You don't want to blindly follow someone, but you want to see both sides of the trade. Now Daniel is a very bullish, but you know, he doesn't say it often, but he does see both sides of my trade. Yeah, he sees both sides too, even though he doesn't mention it. He told me it is possible that we do reverse down, even though he doesn't think we can. You know, I don't think we were gonna reach 52,000, and look what happened. Daniel was right for quite a while. You know, we came back up all the way to 48,300. So love you guys. Keep it peaceful in the Discord. Peace.